here along the banks of the Missouri River in a place called Tarco. There is some significant erosion along the roadside. You can see that all this water over there came across this road as a berm. It is fairly level, but it flowed for long enough to really wash this side out. The other thing I think is just absolutely amazing is the amount of what you guys always hear me call microdetritus. So all of this microdetritus actually made a berm right there, of this microdetritus berm of the water churning around. And then a little bit further up, I guess the road slopes up slightly here, or maybe just there was so much of this microdetritus backing up against those trees, backed up all this microdetritus. It makes a beautiful shape on the landscape, but it piles up against things like speed limit signs, and you have your corn stalks and corn stubble, but there are mountains of this organic debris that slow the water down here. So here, you got stumps and stuff, but here you're not getting the erosion on the side because this microdetritus actually made enough of a berm, and we are walking uphill, so that might be what it was. Maybe the water just didn't flow here for quite as long, but it definitely flowed here. You can see that the stuff just piled up. And there is a lot. The wetland birds are going great guns. Off there is all farmland. All here is farmland. You can see the corn stubble. There's some microdetritus on this side, but I think mostly the water was flowing across. And earlier I saw spotted gar and stuff in here. So some of these things that are no longer connected to the river, those fish are going to die and basically be recycled as fish fertilizer. In fact, there was another fish that ran off there, but it's basically fish swimming through corn stubble. This is a pretty amazing flood. I will show one other thing here while I'm out at it. Up on top of that hill, again, I believe it's Tarco. I could be pronouncing it totally wrong. It's my first time ever being here, but there's wind farms. So if you see some of my other videos, there's ways that we can use the infrastructure for renewable energy projects to slow spread and sink water into the uplands, mitigate this type of flooding, and turn the rainwater into an agricultural and a groundwater asset before it washes downstream to contribute to this type of flooding liability. Thanks again for watching.